We've got a gorgeous day planned and the fit is classic black. Hi everyone. Today we are in London. Today I will be going to a 3-star Michelin restaurant. I will be going to the lecture room and library at Sketch. I have never been to a 3-star restaurant before. I think I've been to a 1-star, but I do look at this as sort of a once-in-a-lifetime experience, so I want to take you along and we can enjoy it together. Let's see what we get up to today. To kick off our exploration in Mayfair, let's go to a gallery. Mayfair is littered with tons of amazing small galleries, all free to visit. The current exhibit is by Philippe Garner. The exhibition is New York, All Seasons and Summer Still Lifes. I don't spend loads of time in Mayfair because, well, it's expensive. But every now and then I love to have a wander about and just check out the pretty buildings. This area seems to be a spot where supercars rev their engines and drive up and down the street. Not far from the cafe is the Gagosian. The current exhibition is Richard Avedon, facing west. Photography is one of my favorite mediums of art, and the faces here were so fascinating. Saturdays on Bond Street are busy, always, but the shop fronts are so pretty. Let's have a stroll down Burlington Arcade. The arcade was built in 1818 and is considered the world's first modern shopping mall. The Gagosian shop here also had a small exhibit upstairs. A wander down Savile Row to admire the beautiful shop windows. Time has come. Time for dinner. So excited. I don't drink alcohol, but that did not stop me from splashing out on a drink to open the night. There are only 2 menus you can order here, the tasting menu or a 3-course menu. We opened with a delightful selection of canapes. As the canapes came to a close, I realized I was actually already getting full, but I'm not going to let that stop me. The loaf with candied walnut was probably my least favorite thing I ate that night. It was overbaked and really hard to eat. Each course had 4 to 5 plates each. It was always going to be ambitious, but I enjoyed the adventure anyway. By the time I hit dessert, I was absolutely packed. It was a little too boozy for me, but yeah, I ate it all. and washed it down with some coffee. After 2.5 delicious hours, it was finally time to go. Though the lecture-room and library had its own bathrooms, I couldn't leave Sketch without taking a visit to the toilet pods. It's just the epitome of a classic photo op at Sketch. Well, it is sadly raining for my journey home, but oh my gosh, I am so full. But it was good. I can see why people like it, and I can see why it's got its 3 Michelin stars. Sketch is always a good time. I'll probably never have a meal like that again, but it was meant to be special, and it was... Whew. It's gonna take me a few days before I feel like I'm gonna eat again. I'm lying. I'll probably eat tomorrow morning. Thanks for coming along. Good night.